Since the very earlier days, digital marketing was associated only with organic search. This is the most effective form of digital marketing till date and gives the cheapest ROI. In fact, when this trend started, businesses flocked to agencies in pursuit of organic search with very high expectations. And in most cases, the expectations were fulfilled because competition was less. Now, organic search is less pursued because of the time frame it takes to achieve results. But even then, businesses prefer this channel because the ROIs are so high. We all have at some time searched for information on the internet using a search box or a voice search. We have done it with the help of Bing, Google, AOL, or any other search engine. Bing and Google are examples of popular search engines. Search is a very normal and a predominant behavior on the internet. So what is organic search? Results delivered based on relevance, results delivered depending upon the search engine, location, and device is organic search. This is how organic search results look when you type for, suppose, waterfront restaurants in Seattle. These are the results. You can see the results are broken down into websites, into review sites, into local reviews, and on a map. When you are pursuing organic search, your objective is to appear in these search results. So what is SEO and how is it related to organic search? Organic search is a behavior. SEO is a technique to build a brand visibility of a website in such a way so that search engines deem the site important enough to show them among the top sites when a phrase relevant to the site is used for searching. Over time, techniques for SEO have changed and evolved. There are two very basic components of organic search or SEO. They are the search engine. The most popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, AOL, and Ask. Baidu is very popular in the Far East, particularly China. The other important component is the search engine algorithm. Each search engine has its own complex way of detecting the relevancy of a site compared to the search phrase. This is called the search algorithm. Search algorithms change from time to time and improve the relevancy of results. What is the search bar? The search bar is the front end of the search engine that is there on any web browser or even within an app or social media platform. It is in this bar that you end the phrase to search for information. That phrase is generally called a keyword in technical language. How the popular entities along with their search bar presence all over the internet are present is shown here in this graph. Google has the maximum of coverage. Around 69% of the users all over the world use Google as the primary search engine. Microsoft and Yahoo make the next bulk, and Ask, AOL, and other regional networks make another bulk. Search engines interpret popularity as important and have complex mathematical equations with thousands of components to determine popularity and associate them with the relevancy of the search term. These algorithms are often revised because people turn to learn about them and manipulate the rankings, so it's used to remove the chaff from the wheat. Each search engine has its own algorithm. Google's algorithm would be different from that of Bing or Yahoo. Search engines perform three primary functions. They crawl data, they index data, and they fetch data or provide answers to queries. Each time a website is uploaded on the World Wide Web, the search engines have spiders that crawl and index them. When a search query is asked for, they use their formula to determine the most popular and the most relevant results and produce them in search results called SERPs. The end users of any search are the users who feel the need for information. They usually go through these steps. They enter a phrase in the search engine, they see the results, and then they select one. As pursuers of SEO, both activities concern us. We need to produce the results and we need to get people to click on those results too. So SEO is not just about ranking, it's all about getting people to click on your result too. We have already heard about Google being the most popular search engine. So how do you get your site to rank in the search engine? What are the best practices to help Google find, crawl, and index your site? Well, Googlers recommend the following. The first recommendation is to make pages primarily for users. Don't make it for search engines. Don't deceive your users by presenting a different content to search engines and different to users. This term is referred to as cloaking. Make a site with clear hierarchy and text links. Each page should be reachable from at least one static link. Create an information-rich site. Use keywords to create descriptive, human-friendly URLs. And there are many more which you will learn in more detail in your organic search chapter. Bing engineers at Microsoft recommend the following to get better rankings with their search engine. Ensure a clean, keyword-rich URL structure in place. Make sure content is not buried inside rich media like Flash, JavaScript, or even Ajax. Also verify that the rich media doesn't hide links that are crawlable or from the crawlers. Make sure your content is keyword-rich and is using a lot of synonyms. Also try to base your content on research as to what users are searching for and produce fresh content regularly. SEO isn't just about getting the technical details of a website ready. It's not only that it's about the web development part. It's also about marketing, where brand, relevance, and authority matter. You will learn how to get the search engine rankings in other chapters, but right now, be assured that SEO or organic search also is about brand, relevance, and authority. For those of you who are very curious, follow these two links and check out the search engine ranking factors. These two are updated annually on a survey basis, and leading marketeers participate in that survey. Before we end this section, you must know about SERPs if you're talking about organic search. As per Wikipedia, a search engine results page is the listing of results returned by a search engine in response to a keyword query. The results normally would include a list of items with titles, reference to the full version, and a short description showing where the keywords have matched content within the page. It all depends upon the search engines actually when the SERPs is displayed, because they keep on experimenting with their look. Google, for example, uses the knowledge base or the carousel. It also shows up relevant images and videos if needed. Most search engines display the meta title and the meta description of a website, which is included in the code, so you have to focus on that. This is how the SERP is visible in Google. You can see organic results are competing for space with PPC results. This image is an old image. Now organic results are also competing with image results and with shopping results too. This is how the SERPs are visible in Bing. We are searching for the Samsung mobile, and you can see that you get paid results, ads on the left, similar something to Google. In summary, you can see that the pages are a result of the paid and organic listings, and they are competing for space on SERPs. As per Google, soon apps will also be competing for space along with local map listings. So it's kind of crowded out there, and therefore there's a need to be focused to keep there on the top 3. Search engines change the algorithm frequently, and to enhance user experience, you need to keep on providing better results to your users. Nothing is constant in organic search.